Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pipedrive dashboards for forecasting step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the top menu and click on the dashboard option. Once on the dashboard page, look for the Add New Dashboard button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your new dashboard. Enter a relevant name related to forecasting. Next, select the type of dashboard you want to create. For forecasting, choose either a custom dashboard or a pre-built option that suits your needs. Click on the Create Dashboard button to proceed. You will now see an empty dashboard layout. To add widgets, click the Add Widget button. From the widget selection, find those related to sales forecasting. Choose widgets that represent metrics important for your forecasting process. After selecting a widget, customize its settings to match your forecasting criteria. Adjust date ranges to reflect the period you want to analyze. Add necessary filters to refine the data displayed in each widget. Click the Save or Add button once you've configured the widget to your liking. Repeat these steps for as many widgets as needed for your forecasting dashboard. After adding all desired widgets, arrange them on your dashboard by dragging and dropping. Review your dashboard layout for clarity and accessibility. Once satisfied, you can share the dashboard with your team by clicking on the Share icon. Select the team members or teams you want to give access to. Set the appropriate permissions for viewing or editing. Finally, click Share to send out the dashboard access. Your Pipedrive forecasting dashboard is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.